Okay, today we're going to learn how to wind a bobbin. I have my empty bobbin right here for this machine. This is my Bernina. I'm going to raise this up just a little bit so you can see the top, because all this action is going to be on the top of the machine. Right there. So right here's my spool pin, and this is the bobbin winding mechanism. So I'm going to use a cone today because this is the color I need. So let me get my thread started. So I'm going to take my cone. Normally you would come off your spool pin, but I'm not going today because I need this color and it's on a cone. So I'm going to go behind this little hook back there because it's coming off of the cone, and I'm going to go around that. So if you notice, can you see the arrow right there? You may not be able to see, but there's an arrow that says this. So on this machine, this little button has a little tension guide. It actually opens and closes, and you just are going to go like that, clockwise. Then I take my bobbin, and these bobbins are easy to tell top and bottom. Some bobbins it doesn't matter, but this one it does. So this shiny side is the bottom. So I'm just going to pop it down, and this is the mechanism that turns it on. It actually shows it's winding. I haven't put my thread on yet though. And now I'm going to wind the thread the same way. Alright, and then this is it has a cutter on the back. So I can actually bring it across the cutter. I'm not going to cut it yet, and as I pull, I can cut, and now it's winding my bobbin for me. And because I'm doing a smaller project on the sewing machine, I don't need a super full bobbin, so I'm not going to fill it all the way up, but you can actually let it run and it will shut itself off, and your bobbin is wound.